This is the Manta Sleep Sound Mask with Bluetooth headphones. I've been using this mask for about a year now, and it's been great to me. But there are a few things that I wish I knew before I got it. Now, what I really love about this mask is that it really helps me sleep while listening to something to fall asleep, usually like a podcast or some sort of sleep sounds. Now, one of the things that I was worried about is that I was going to be too bulky. Because I'm a side sleeper, I thought that the sides would be a little bit too thick and I would feel it too much. But actually, once you put it on and you have the adjustable headphone ear straps, it's actually quite easy to adjust it to make sure that you have the exact right fit on your ears. Another thing is you have these adjustable cups on the inside where it's pretty much perfect for any size face, where you can fully adjust it and create it to your own comfort. It is USB-C, which was another concern of mine. The USB-C port is just inside here, where you can charge your mask, and the charge lasts up to 20 hours of use. So it makes it perfect for plane flights or all nighttime use. And finally, I was wondering how this electronic mask would actually be washable. So they thought of that as well. You can do is you can take off the electronic part of it, which is the front of the mask, and put that aside, turning this into just a very soft, cushiony fabric that is fully washable. And this fabric just feels fantastic on your face. So knowing all this, I can't recommend this mask enough. This has been my number one mask that I've used for sleep while listening to something. And I no longer have to wake up my partner sleeping next to them, having very quiet, solid sound coming through my ears. So highly recommend this. This is the Manta Sound Sleep Mask with Bluetooth headphones.